Good day, students. Today we are considering a topic titled Pressure in a Fluid. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as the perpendicular force per unit area acting on a surface. And the formula for pressure is force over area. The unit is Newton per meter squared because the unit of force is Newton, the unit of area is meter squared. When you bring the two together, the per is like division, Newton per meter squared. 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per meter squared. 1 bar equals to 10 raised power 5 Newton per meter squared. And also 10 raised power 5 Newton per meter squared is equals to 10 raised power 5 Pascal. You can see it. 1 Pascal equals 1 Newton per meter squared. 1 bar equals to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squared and equals to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. If you are giving a question in 1 Pascal, like now when you are giving something like this, 10 Pascal, and he asks you to bring it out the expression in Newton per meter squared, it can also be 10 Newton per meter squared. If it is in 10 bar and we want it to be in Newton per meter squared, it will just be 10 times 1 bar, which is equal to 10 times, what is 1 bar? 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per meter squared. Is that okay? Which will be equals to 10 raised to the power 6 Newton per meter squared. Is that okay? Now, let's solve this question. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground by a person weighing 70 kg. Okay. Force due to the weight of the person equals mg. Is that okay? Mass is 70 and you are giving G in 10, which is 700 Newton. Now, what is the area of the person standing with 2 feet equals 400 centimeter squared. Convert it to meter. 400 divided by 100 times 100. Look at 0, 4 over 100, which is 0.04 meter squared. Now let's now get the pressure. How do you get this divided by 100 times 100? Don't forget that when you are dividing 100 centimeter make 1 meter. When you are bringing two, let me say it is 400 centimeter, for example. Now it will be 400 times 1, 400 divided by 100. But since we are having centimeter squared, it will not be divided by another 100. That's why you're having 200 like this, divided by, because centimeter is being squared twice. 100 centimeter make 1 meter, but when you're having 400 centimeter square, you divide it by 100 twice because of this square of the centimeter. That's why you have it like that. You now have pressure to be equals to force over area. What's our force? 700. What's the area? 0.04. When you press your calculator, you have 17.5 times 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter squared. Okay. If the person stands on 1 foot, the area is halved. Okay, which is equals to, it will now be 0.04 meters squared divided by 2 equals 0.02 meter squared. The area is halved. Now in that case, let's now know the new pressure. New pressure equals force over area. And what is the force? The force is 700 divided by 0.02 equals to, when you press the calculator, you press your calculator, you have 35 times 10 raised power 3 Newton per meter squared. Thus, the pressure is, thus the new pressure is twice as much as the person standing with 2 feet of pressure. Okay, the new pressure is twice as much as the person standing with 2 feet. Okay, what you are trying to say is that when you stand with 2 feet, you maintain a balance, the pressure will not be as much. But when you stand with 1 foot, the pressure will be twice as the person standing with 2 feet. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.